Hey, you beautiful people. Today we're down at Glenbrook doing the walk to the Red Hands Cave. We've descended down to the gorge via the Jelly Bean Pool track. And after some rock scrambling, we're at the crossing that you may recognize if you've ever been to Glenbrook National Park. So come along with me and hopefully you enjoy this one too. As you may have noticed, this track follows a creek along most of it, and it's a great relief, especially on a hot day like this. All this you see right here isn't from me just showering. It's all sweat. So on that note, make sure you bring a lot of water if you're ever coming down this way on a hot day, especially as we roll into summer. Yeah, you don't want to be stuck out here without enough water to drink, and I don't know how safe this is to drink, so don't just go drinking from it. That would be a terrible idea. No one wants explosive diarrhea. Definitely not me. I don't want to be walking past it out here. Anyways, let's continue. Hopefully we're not too far from the Red Hands Cave. So we're finally here at the Red Hands Cave, and as you can see, these caves derive their name from the unique handprints on those walls there, made with ochre from the local area, left by the First Nations people who occupied these areas long before the Europeans came along to settle here. I think they serve as a beautiful connection between us and the past, and the people who originally occupied these lands, despite any arguments of terra nullius and whatnot. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm glad it's fenced off. I mean, it's understandable. Some numbnut is going to come along and try and etch their initials into this rock. I don't think so. It's best we keep those kind of people away from this. Beautiful. You definitely need to come and check it out for yourself. It's a fairly easy walk if it wasn't such a hot day, but on a hot day, make sure you bring a lot of water. It's rated as a grade 3, but probably a tad bit harder than that if you do the rock scrambling against jelly bean pools. Yeah. Bring water, food, stay hydrated during summer. So that was the Red Hands Cave track. I'm heading back now and I'm stopping for lunch. I'm coming back the same way I came in, so there and back, rather than completing the rest of the loop. Once again, I started a tad bit late, so rather than go on a track that I am unfamiliar with, I thought it better to play it safe and head back the way I came. That way I know what to expect. I still have a 800ml bottle of water, which should last me the way back, and I'll eat lunch and continue on the rest of the way. Hopefully you've enjoyed it so far and know what to expect if you plan to come do this for yourself. As I've reiterated so many times, make sure you bring a lot of water when you're out hiking, especially in summer here in Australia. You don't want to be caught in a situation where you don't have enough water, get heat stroke, and pass out or something. Can't guarantee a drop bear won't get you then, so yeah. Stay hydrated.